All right, you guys, you can see the jack stand and everything back there. Beautiful right now, but not what happened in this video. Here's the before of the old tires and rims. That's not supposed to be like that. Don't do that. All right, so an update. I compromised on both of them. Process of taking the ones off the donor vehicle. We've had to do a lot of hitting and smacking and bullshit. Here's the old ones. Erik disappeared with the, here's Erik and his sling. That's why this project is where it's at. So here are the old ones. Here are the new old ones. Much smaller, 16 versus 15-inch rims. To get them on these, just so you know, 15-inch rims will not fit on a 1996 and newer Toyota. The caliper's in the way, so we had to cut the calipers out and do that. So, it's raining, it's shitty. We'll put the last one on and get the 4Runner parked out of the way for Erik. Get the last tire put in the van. My wife and daughter are in the van right now, you can't see them. But damn, that actually looks pretty good.
It's like, it's not as bad as it sounds.
Right, that's kind of, that's crazy.
He's like, he was super cool, super professional, but he was like, look, I understand. It seems scary. I promise you it's not.
All right, by the way, this is a donor vehicle. Keep that in mind. This is not the real vehicle that we're going to be using, all right? That's why we're putting these on. That's why we cut the brakes out, so I can get the other ones in the truck. We're kind of sitting a little flat. But check this shit out from behind. It is so wide. Like, holy shit. Look how wide that is. Definition of a shitbox. All right, we're gonna try to fire it up. What are the chances?
None.
0.
Nothing there?
Nothing. Hot positive to negative, negative to positive. There. All right. All right, let me know when. Aha! We have life! We have life! All right. I have no brakes. Look at this beauty. It's a beauty. I have 0 brakes. 0 brakes. So we're gonna slam it into park. Putting it under the carport. Oh man, sketch. I'm either gonna slam it into park or I'm gonna slam the e-brake. I'm gonna put you guys down. All right, here we go. No brakes. I'm either gonna slam the e-brake. No, it probably won't come out. It probably won't come loose then.
Yeah, I would just slam it in park.
Slam her in park. Oh God.
Well, actually, I'll hit neutral first.
Well, yeah. It's at this very moment where I realized I need a haircut, a beard trim, a mustache trim, and to stop catching van flies with my mouth open. Rocking the boat! Hell yeah, what? Dude, this thing is the definition of a fucking shitbox. What a pile.
It's too bad.
Dude, this thing is nice though, dude. I wish. Sorry, bud.
Honestly, if you weren't gonna put this in your 4Runner, the motor, I'd probably try to find one with a blown motor. You know what I mean?
Oh, I see. I see what you're saying. The motor's beautiful.
Yeah.
Well, I'm taking the motor and putting it in the other one. So.
Well, that's what I mean. If you want.
All right, so we got this parked, put away. It's actually not in a bad spot. I wish I had a carport like this.
Thank you for that.
We're gonna go back home, put the old ones on the old ones on the old 4Runner, the older 4Runner. So we'll see you in a little bit. Fail. So we've got a new day. We got the jack up underneath the sketchiness again. We've got the new rims, old rims for the old 4Runner from the old new 4Runner. All right, we got one on. I did have to take the center cap off for obvious reasons. Also, always use anti-seize when you're doing this. Literally nothing worse than stuck aluminum rims. That sucks when people don't do that. It makes the world of a difference. Trust me on that one. I got a feeling I'm gonna regret this in the future. Shit is sticking like crazy. But it is what it is. I'll deal with it in the future problems. Well, this is going real well. Good old floor jack pushes into the grass. That's what you get when you throw away all your scraps from your garage after cleaning it out and purging it. I always got to keep those scraps, everybody. I always got to keep the scraps. So you don't run into situations like this. Keep your scraps. You ready to see what it looks like now? A little before and after kind of thing. I'm pretty excited. Here it is for you guys. Man, does that look good. That looks way better than before. Still got the spare tire on. That's coming up in a future video. Man, I'm happy about it. The truck's gonna be happy about it because then the steering components don't have to work nearly as hard. Those are some big ass tires on before. Like I said, because of the manual locking front hubs, you gotta take the front hub, the caps off. But man, does that look good. Way more fitting. I think I'm gonna take the fenders off too. Don't really need to be on there anymore to protect them from anything. I don't know though. I want you guys to let me know in the comments if you think I should take them off or not. For those of you that actually stuck around for the whole video. Well, we got a lot of things coming for this thing. This was a quick Friday upload for you guys. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel. We're pushing for 10,000 followers. I really want to hit it hard this year, you guys. We got a lot of stuff coming for this 4Runner, for the GMC, for the LB7. We also have a lot coming for the LBZ. So there's a lot of stuff coming that I'm very excited about. We've got beautiful, nice weather now in comparison to the beginning of this video. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Have yourselves a great day.